In this video, we're approaching a couple of intersections here with a student, and it's really important to be scanning the crosswalks that you're approaching. In this case, there's a pedestrian approaching the crosswalk here, and it's really dark. It's hard to see, but you got to be on the lookout for them because sometimes they're wearing darker clothing and it's hard to spot them unless you're looking at both sides of this crosswalk to scan for them. Here we were borderline cutting them off. If you are close, or if you're too close to the crosswalk, that if you were to stop you have to slam on your brakes, and it makes sense to clear the intersection. But in this case, I feel that if you had been scanning, or the student had been scanning in advance, they would have been able to identify, hey, this person's body language is saying they want to come up to this crosswalk to use it. And if you're going to wait for this person to cross, you need to stop on this side of the intersection, yielding to them. So coming up to the next intersection, we're going to be seeing that when we stop, now there's again 4 corners of the intersection we need to be scanning for. So we need to be scanning here to the left, to the right, and also to the left here and to the right here. So check all 4 corners of this box or this intersection before proceeding. Okay, so we have a always stop here, but that is not telling us that the pedestrians are going to stop at this intersection. So when we stop, we're going to have people here crossing from the left, and we've got people crossing over here. We've got someone standing here. We've got to read their body language and see what are they intending on doing. So sometimes you stop for one pedestrian, but then other pedestrians will show up and cross anyway. And pedestrians sometimes don't care whether you've been sitting there for a long time. They're going to cross when they've got the right of way, so they're going to just go for it. You just have to make sure you're not being impatient and trying to clear the intersection quickly. Scan, especially in the evening, especially at nighttime when it's hard to see, and lots of people are not wearing reflective clothing. So unless you look for them, you're going to miss them.